Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Real quick, guys, I want to show you something new they've added to the SMS Phone Blaster. Okay, if you haven't gotten this product yet, it's called SMS Phone Leads. It's only $20. Okay, to get this little system, you're gonna get one phone number, guys, and you're gonna get 100 credits. And this little tool it allows you to set up a professional voice message, and you can actually set up a message that you would want to be received if someone called your number, and it will reply back to them with an actual message. Okay, for me, what I do is I send them to my website. That's what I text back to them. But this system is awesome. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I had some previous videos where I talked about this, but it's called SMS Phone Leads. So it doesn't matter what you're marketing out there. If you have a product or service that you're marketing and you want to get out there to the masses, this is a great way to do it with SMS Phone Leads. But what I'm here to do today is show you something new they've added to this tool. Okay, so I'm gonna flip over and I'm gonna show you that. Hang on with me 1 second here. Okay, I'm here in my back office of the SMS Phone Blaster, and I'm going to show you, as you can see on the screen right here, they give you clear instructions where you can't promote just anything. It has to be legal, no unethical promotion back here. You can send your text messages between 9 a.m. and 8 p.m. Okay, so you can literally send 200 messages a day, guys, with this little system. If you have a 30 days in the month, that's 6,000 text messages. Okay, it only costs you $20 to get the system. Then it's $33 a month, and you're gonna make $16 off of everyone you refer to this little system. So that's residual income. And with this, you don't have to include your leads. The leads are included. The cell phone leads are already here. All you need to do is simply type your message. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. I'm gonna show you a message that I sent out. Okay, something this simple. Okay, need more money, we pay daily, flexible hours. And I put a website and I put a phone number. Okay, now right here is what they added new. If you want to test your message before you send it out, simply put your phone number right here, type your message, put your phone number in this box, and hit the send text button. And it's going to send your cell phone, okay, it's going to send your cell phone a message. All right, so my video is acting up. I'm not sure what you heard. Put your message right here, okay, and then right here put your phone number and hit this send text button, and this way you'll get to see what it looks like before you actually send it out to your prospects. Okay, just that simple. So they've added that. Then let me show you something else that's here. You had previously, or any other messages that you've ever sent out, it's going to save them for you. And all you hit is select, and it will place your message up here. So they've added that function to this system, which is great because sometimes we don't remember, what did I send out last time? Now your messages are saved, and you can just always reuse them. And then you have this feature here. Put your cell phone here, hit send text, and now you can see what it looks like before it actually goes to your prospects. Make sure it's formatted the way you want it to look. So again, a great system. Okay, again, a great system. You can't beat this little system that they have, the SMS Phone Leads. $20. I mean, what an investment. $20, $33 if you want. That's optional. The $33 option is optional. The $33 is optional. You don't have to upgrade, but if you want to be able to send 200 text messages out a day, you upgrade to $33. And then you'll be making $16 from everyone you refer. Okay, now this is a page that I'm using on one of the business opportunities that I have. Let me show you. This is one of my pages that I recently just sent out a message on. This is for Easy One Up, and it takes them to this page. So you want to always make sure you have a capture page, guys. Do not just send people to your website. Okay, make sure you're capturing their information so that you can track to make sure everything is working properly, and you can follow up people. You want to have an autoresponder. See right here, I'm going to always capture their information. Okay, so that way the system can follow up with them okay, about my opportunity. All right. So again, SMS Phone Leads. You definitely want to get this system. It's only $20, guys. So nothing else. Get the phone system. That way, you can have it set up, and you can use that phone number. All you're gonna need to do is buy your credits, and the credits are very cheap. For $12, you're gonna get 800 credits. Okay, and you need a minimum of 200 to blast out. Okay, every day you need a minimum of 200 credits. So for $12, guys, 12 measly bucks, that's 4 days worth of credits, because you get 800. 4 days worth of marketing. Okay, because it's 200 credits per day. Okay, and the system knows because it keeps up with you. And I'm going to show you right here how it looks once your message is sent out. I'm going to show you that. Now this is what it looks like once your message is actually sent. You click that button, you hit send, and then right here it goes through a little cycle of process. And then it says campaign sent successfully. See you tomorrow. It knows you cannot send 200 more out for today. Okay, so once this actually goes all the way around and all these little circles are blue, it's sent. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Just that simple. So what I'm going to do is put the link below. Go ahead and get this SMS Phone Lead system. Invest in your business. Whatever you're promoting, you can use this little system to send text messages out. Okay, and again, the leads are included. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, just simply type your message and hit send. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you for checking it out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys on the inside. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call. I'll make sure to include my number below. All right, you guys have a blessed day.